afternoon, everyone. Chelsea here with Craft and Grow. Today we are out in the garden and we are harvesting our potatoes. So from the last video, we were planting the potatoes and we were covering them with a bunch of straw. I know I said in previous videos I was going to come back and I was going to continue to add straw to the beds as the plants grew. The additional research that I did is not many people do that. So I just let all the beds sit. I didn't add any more straw to them except for what I initially added, which was about 12 inches. So I did have one bed in my first video that looked like it was getting eaten. So I quick ran out to the garden, harvested it. I'll put a picture of that here so you can kind of see what my harvest was. I was actually really happy with that. And those were the Territorial potatoes that we planted together in video 1. These other beds that I'm going to be pulling up are going to be Russets, Reds, and I think a white as well. So we have, so let's see what we have. Nice breeze. Oh! Junior! Junior! What the? Oh my God. I think I just disturbed a mouse nest. Holy sh! Wow. Oh man, these are stuck. So we have Mr. Seed Potato, and then we have Biggie Potato. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love you. All right, Mr. Seed Potato. I'm really happy. And I'm not even halfway through that yet. Oh, the soil looks so good. Let's take a look at some of these. Pretty good size. Meal for two. Kind of looks like a little potato head. These look amazing. So my research was correct. I did not have to continue. Bye centipede, bye centipede. I did not have to continue to throw on more straw. Bury them. Again, I believe I buried them like 3 inches deep. I cut them, cut where the chits are, chits up. Buried them 3 inches, 12 to 15 inches of straw. And this is what I get. I'm not complaining. Oh my. I promise I did not use any GMOs. Oh my God. Potato bed number 2, really happy. Look at all that. So awesome. I am gonna get the last bed done because that really motivated me. All right, so we just finished that half of the bed and I'm very happy. So what we did a couple years ago, I want to say 2-3 years ago, we yielded 88 pounds of potatoes from the root stout method. Every year I learn something different. Every year I try something new. I do know that burying and covering with straw works for me. The one exception that I'm going to do next year is I'm not going to continue to cover them as they grow. I'm just going to cover them with the 12 to 15 inches of straw and leave them alone. So they're the best vegetable that you can grow and the easiest vegetable that you can grow. You just bury it and forget about it. Unless you have the Colorado beetle, you might want to take care of that. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please feel free to like and subscribe. I try to come out with a video once a month, but it is summer, people are really busy, so I'm gonna try to get into a better habit of that. This is potato part 3 harvest season, and I'm very happy.